thought the truck needed to turn around. I flipped it. Oh, yeah.
Hello? Yes, I am in the car. I'll be there in 10, 15. I will.
We know in the car.
Because I know you love it when I tell you stories, don't you? Come here, you.
No, I just realized. What? You have never beaten me. I don't want to embarrass you. Embarrass me, you wish. Let's race! You suck!
Hello?
Ben! Come on, chicken!
Well, I'm looking forward to it as well. You worked very hard on it. I'm glad you liked it.
Ben! Stop! Come on, chicken! Come on, stop!
Well, it's a pleasure talking to you, too. Thank you. How about a signal? Jeez. Are you okay? We'll get you some help, okay? 911 emergency.
Is he all right?
Little boy, 11, 12 years old.
What happened?
Thank you. Please hurry. It's all right. Help's on the way.
Worse, sir.
He came out of nowhere.
Where were you going? There was
Right,
so
police
damn
are on their way.
important. Did you not go over the seatbelt back there? You're speeding down the...
You saw it, didn't you?
Wait a minute! Hey, wait a minute! Get over here! Did he see it? Hey!
All you care about is your alibi.
It'll be okay, buddy.
I'm sorry.
I'm not gonna talk to you.
You guys, you know what that police
This man was speeding. He came flying at
Okay, is this your son?
No, sir. You're
Calm
riding
down.
his bike.
Ma'am, calm
people,
down.
People come
Just
speeding
relax,
down
please.
the street all the time.
I will get
This
to
is-
you. Ma'am, be quiet.
Let him take care of it.
I was behind the van.
Have you been drinking, sir?
No, I have not been drinking.
Sir, step over to my
You
car.
don't need to pull on me.
Sir,
Wait a
turn
minute.
around and
Just
put
wait
your
a
hands
minute.
behind your back. All you have to do is cooperate.
Is this really necessary?
What's your name?
Let's see if he can get his... He hasn't been able to say his last name, though.
You saw what happened, didn't you? That man, was he driving like crazy fast?
No. I tried to stop him. I should have stopped him. Stop! Ben!
He's my best friend.